Hi guys, welcome to Digit. Today we'll be looking at how to connect your ZEBRONICS Zeb-Vita Plus portable Bluetooth speaker with your smartphone or tablet. To begin with, ensure that your device's Bluetooth is set up and ready. You can see over here. To connect your ZEBRONICS speaker, first you need to power on. On the right side, you can see this row of buttons. At the top it says mode power. Keep it pressed for up to 2 to 3 seconds.
ZEBRONICS for life. Bluetooth mode.
And there you have it, the device is all powered on and ready to connect. And if at this point we scan through the available devices, you can see Zeb-Vita Plus ready to connect. Simply tap that, confirm pair.
Zeb-Vita Plus is now connected.
And you're connected and ready to go. 90% battery, USB-C connection, good to play. To disconnect, simply, obviously you can turn the power off on the speaker itself. You could disconnect from the phone itself as well.
Zeb-Vita Plus is now disconnected.
Another important thing to note is that the Bluetooth speaker supports multiple modes. If you press the mode power multiple times, you can cycle through them.
FM mode. Bluetooth mode.
So at the moment we have Bluetooth and FM available. If you connect your USB or your SD card or an aux cable, you'll get the relevant options as well. And there you have it.
Power off.
That is your portable Bluetooth speaker, the ZEBRONICS Zeb-Vita Plus. Thank you for watching.